Now, before we dig deeper into this tool, I do want to take a quick moment to show you guys everything that comes in the kit when you buy it. So first of all, we have the unit itself, which is roughly about the size of my iPhone. And so it's a very portable unit, and it's also about half the price of the iPhone. Over here, we have the Bluetooth wireless dongle that also has a built-in light. So if you push this button, it's got a little flashlight in there to help you find the OBD2 port. You also get this cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, in order for you to connect the dongle to the unit. In some applications, it will advise you to connect it using the wire. There are some vehicles that you don't want to program wirelessly, so always make sure to have this cable at the ready. Over here, as you can see, they give you a charging cable and a charging block. The kit also comes with 2 universal iKeys. These are universal smart keys that can be generated to many different applications. They also come in various button configurations. We're going to get a little bit deeper into these later on in the video. Over here, we have the cable that's used to do remote renews, which basically allows us to unlock previously locked keys. Some smart keys on some vehicles will become locked whenever they're programmed to a car. And so before you can reuse it and program it to another vehicle, you may have to unlock it. That's what this cable is for. Now, this really only applies to OEM keys, not really aftermarket keys, which, by the way, if you guys are going to be using the universal iKeys, there really is no need to unlock the keys. These can be regenerated over and over again as many times as you like. So even if you program this to a car and then something happens, maybe the customer doesn't want this key, so you want to be able to reuse it on a different vehicle, you can absolutely do that. All you have to do is regenerate the key using the tool.